That sinking feeling when you wake up exhausted even after 8 hours. You're groggy, fuzzy, and wonder what the heck happened overnight. You know you need better sleep, but you're just blindly hoping for it. This isn't for the person who shrugs off a bad night. This is for the warrior battling fatigue, the one who demands answers from their body, the person ready to finally crack the code to truly restorative sleep. It's for anyone tired of being tired, ready to invest in waking up feeling alive. Forget those flimsy plastic wearables that pinch your wrist, need constant charging, or feel like a gimmick. This isn't something you wear. It's practically invisible. You slide it right under your mattress, and it just works. It vanishes from your sight, but it becomes your silent, brilliant sleep detective. It maps your sleep cycles, light, deep, REM, with uncanny precision, tracking your breathing and even catching those noisy snores you swear you don't make. It's like a pro-level sleep lab, right in your bedroom, without the wires, the appointments, or the uncomfortable sensors plastered to your face. It turns the mystery of your night into actionable data you can understand. This isn't just tracking, it's empowering you with knowledge. Now, let's be real. It won't brew your coffee or make your boss less demanding, but it gives you the missing piece of the puzzle. It illuminates why you're tired, helping you see the patterns you couldn't before. It's the ultimate tool for optimizing the most important hours of your day. This isn't just about sleep, it's about unlocking your full potential. It's about taking control, understanding your body's rhythm, and finally experiencing consistent, deep, rejuvenating rest. It's the smart choice for anyone serious about their health and energy. I put the link below so you can check the current price.